Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, we got some nice sliced chicken breast. 2 slices of cheddar. This is a ciabatta bread. As you can see, it's beautiful, sliced in half. We got some Duke's mayo. And I get a video on, what's better, Duke's or Best Foods. Check that one out. We got some butter. Greetings, Mike Foster here. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. How you guys doing? This is a simple chicken and cheddar melt with some Duke's mayonnaise. It's gonna be fast, simple, and easy. I'm gonna get this pan going. I'm gonna put this together as fast as I can. But check it out. It's easy to do. All right. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna butter both the outsides of these so that we can get the toasty going, the melt. Just like this. That's going to adhere and get some good browning on that one. Put it on both sides. This one's a little rounded because that's the way they make these little buns, these rolls. But you got to do what you got to do. Meet you at the stove and we'll get this melt going. Put this side down. Give it a press. And put this side down. Give that baby a press. Now you take a little mayonnaise, just a little there, and then you put the cheese right here. Okay, this is on medium. It's going to take a little while. We'll probably end up covering this. Then we'll put a little more mayo here, a little more mayo here. That's more than a little. We'll take our chicken and put that right there. All right, the rest is slow and go. All right, the key to a melt is what? Melting the cheese. So we're gonna flip it like this. We're gonna give this guy a press. Now I'm gonna cover it and let this baby do its thing. Just like that. I'll say a couple minutes on each side. We'll do this side first, then we'll flip it, and I'll talk to you guys again. All right. So that bottom is melting, so let's get the other side done. All right. This will be another couple minutes till it melts. When that baby's ready, I'll meet you at the counter. Put this baby together. Have a taste test. All right, this baby's melted. Time's for the sliceroo. Here's the reveal. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's get a close-up of that baby. There's a close-up of that simple chicken and cheddar melt. Big bite coming up. All right, take another look, real close look. Let's get in there. Just take a bite of this thing. Oh. A couple things right off the bat gets me. It's that Duke's mayo just has a delicious taste. And then this ciabatta bread, this little roll, toasted perfectly. Chicken is a nice contrast with that melted cheese. And you put it all together, and it spells delicioso. Killer diller. And simple. Oh, sweet Bobo. I hit the spot and came right on time. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Subscribe, tell people about it. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Oh God, oh, that bottom, excuse me. Baba. This is my favorite part. The turkey's fine. Excuse me. I'll keep working up. I'm watching the Patriots trying to beat Green Bay. It's gonna be tough. As top Babu.
Baba.